myself as a Vostok Refrigeration Industries Private Limited. Actually, we have just introducing these machines, ice making machines here. Actually, our situated at Nagpur MIDC and Akola MIDC. We are manufacturing from last 15 years these types of machines, ice making machine, which is totally fully manufactured by SS steel, stainless steel, which is only make up by 304. Its inner side is also 304 and outer side is also 304. We are actually I request cameraman please come here. 15 years to 20 years those manufacturers are manufacturing these types of machines, MS machine. Lots of machine is by corrugated and resins, and that's why machine life is very low. This machine life is minimum 25 years you will get after your purchase. I just request my cameraman to come here to check out our customer for looking the customers. This is the exhaust fan. Exhaust fan we are installed. Agitator is fully SS. Agitator, just look out the agitator. Immersion compressor filter, oil filter, then accumulator, then hand walls also installed over there. Then you look out this. The one thing is very important. This is the solenoid wall. It's the solenoid wall is handle the pressure of gases. That's why we have installed here. And then one thing is very important in this machine is that evaporation coil. Evaporation coil is very important, which is maintain the evaporation temperature. Any one evaporation temperature you are when you are purchasing the machinery, you just think of that. You have take and what is the exact evaporation temperature? It's minimum of 35%, minus 35%, minus 35 degrees Celsius. It's the evaporation temperature. That then you will get a minimum 10%, minus 10% temperature in this machine. You will get ice within 12 hours in this machine. These types of this is the beauty of this machine, which is you will get 12 hours ice. Nowadays in Indian market, lots of people are selling the machineries, but they are giving the ice in 24 hours. That's why we have inaugurated, or it means supposed to be is the new launch of our company, these machines. Actually, we are manufacturing also a cold storage, which is minus 40 degree temperature, blast freezers, industrial chillers also. These types of machine we are manufacturing. If you require any machineries, these types of machineries 1 ton, 2 ton, 10 ton and 15 tons also ice plant. We are ready to supply you, and you want to purchase, just contact us. My contact number is 9823803440. Second number is 9284144199. Thank you for visit our channel. Thank you very much, my friends. My name is Ashish Patil, Vostok Refrigeration Industries Private Limited. Thank you.